Hi, this is Charlie from TrotBooks. In this video we're going to be talking about generating and sending invoices. So this is where everything that we've set up pays off, literally. The billing page. You pick a month, pick who you want to bill, and TrotBooks builds the invoices for you. So we've got the month and we've got 4 cards, so we can see what's outstanding, what's been paid, your drafts waiting for review, and anything overdue. Of course, this isn't so exciting right now, but these cards aren't just numbers. You can also click for them to filter the list down. Anyway, let's check off the owners that we want to bill for the month and simply hit generate. Once we do that, TrotBooks pulls every day rate, expense, every horse each owner has a piece of, splits it by their percentage, and bills 1 invoice per owner. So this is all done in one click. Now notice that they come in as drafts. Nothing's been sent to anybody yet. This is your chance to look it over first. So let's click into one. So here's the whole bill, the period it covers, the total due, and an activity feed showing every change horse by horse with each owner's percentage right there, so you can see exactly how the number was built. So let's hit view PDF to see exactly what the owner is going to get, clean with the logo and the footer note that we set up earlier, right? So if we're happy with it, we can send to owner. This would email them the PDF and flips the invoice over to sent. And if they ever say that, oh, I didn't get it, there's a resend right there too. So quick tour of these statuses. It starts as a draft, becomes sent when you send it, and paid when they pay. And it'll flag itself as overdue if it ages past due. You don't have to track that. And a draft you don't want, just discard it. No email goes out, and it unlocks those expenses to edit again. Also, we have some nice fields here. When we're marking the invoices paid, we can also see the payment method and write down any notes. So do we want to perhaps void this invoice? Let's say we made a mistake on something that's already been sent. So this would let the owner know and frees up everything back so you can rebill it clean. No messy workarounds, simply one button. So that we can see is void. And if we go back here, we can check it out there as well. Anyway, a couple bonuses back on the billing page. You can select a bunch of invoices and click open report. So for now, we just have this one, I suppose. But this gets you everything in one PDF. So if you wanted to review multiple at the same time, you could do that quite easily. As well as sort of an overview of all of them here. Cool. So that's the whole money loop. Set your rates, log your costs and races, generate, send, and get paid. So after this, we'll have one last video, living in TrotBooks day to day, and getting your owners their own login to their portal.